Hi everyone, I'm Jolie, your nanny and family matchmaking expert with Creating Connections. It is Real Wednesday, so let's get real. So when you're hiring a nanny, whether it's the first nanny you're hiring or you're hiring a new nanny for whatever reason, it's really important to get clear on what your needs are and to be able to communicate those needs to your nanny when you're training them. So every family is different. All families have unique needs. They have particular ways of doing things that they prefer. They have routines. They have, kind of the personality of the family and how, they want things done in their home. So it's okay to have those conversations with your nanny to really set them up powerfully to do a great job. And if you have questions about how to set up a nanny to fulfill the expectations that you've hired them for, please reach out to me.